All right, what's up everybody? So obviously I make a lot of content, but sometimes you just gotta get outside, get away from it all. So I'm here at the Stevens Creek Reservoir. We're gonna go find some trails and hike around and just, soak up some nature and get outside. All right, so I just enjoyed this great walk, right? Get my mind off of things, and we're gonna show you roadside assistance via satellite for the very first time. I have my car here, but if I check out my keys, I'm getting nothing, and the door's getting nothing. So I look down here and yeah, I probably left my lights on. So what I'm gonna show you is roadside assistance via satellite on the iPhone. So I have my iPhone here, and there's a lot of reasons, not just your battery dying, why you might want to use this service. Let's say you leave your keys in your car, you run out of gas, or you run out of charge, or something like a flat tire on the road. That happens to all of us. So what I'm gonna do is gonna walk you through these steps, and the first thing we're gonna do is jump into the messages. And the big thing to notice is the satellite icon is located there. You can see that it's darkened out. I'm gonna actually create a new message, and I'm gonna type in roadside. And when I do this, a contact that normally does not exist on your phone, but because you're connected via satellite, will show up here. I'm gonna jump in here, and it's now gonna start the roadside assistance via satellite prompt. So obviously we're gonna request assistance. And do you need roadside assistance, or is this an emergency? Well, I left my lights on, so we're gonna go roadside assistance, select a roadside assistance provider. AAA is the partner here in the US with Apple for this, so I'm gonna continue the active request. And now it's gonna ask us to find a satellite. All right, so I got the signal here, and they're saying, we're here to help. Are you a AAA or CAA member? If so, what's your 16-digit member number? I got that, and home zip code, so let's punch that in. I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna send it as I'll send this one, and then I'll write zip. $84105. And we're gonna send it along. Okay, and you can see it shows the status of the satellite with its within range right now. And Apple's doing some really interesting things. This is a proprietary compression algorithm to send this data to the satellites, and they've also optimized the connection between phone and satellite for all this to work together. So we'll wait for a response.
A few moments later.
And there you go, it says, thank you. What is the year, make and model, color of your vehicle? So let's punch that in. We got a 2023 Nissan Altima Black. Okay. They just said, thank you. We will send someone to check your battery. Is this a covered service? Yes, so let's go here. And excellent, our ETA is approximately 60 minutes. We'll keep you updated. So I'm gonna send them a nice message back. Thank you. You are very welcome. Okay, so there you go, right? We just did this whole thing, roadside assistance via satellite, and the AAA representative is coming out. What's up, man?
Hey, how's it going there?
Good, good. What's your name?
Kevin.
Kevin, thanks for helping me. Yeah, so got my car over here, so.
What's going on with it?
I left the light on because I'm a smart guy before my hike, so I'm pretty sure I killed the battery on it.
Not a problem. We'll go ahead and get you jump started, get you going again.
All right, right on. It worked, baby. It works. All right, take it easy, man. Thank you.
Right,
appreciate it. All right, cool. Okay, so the AAA rep, he has left me in good shape, because if you can hear, yeah, that's the car running right now. Now, I did want to bring up two things for you. First of all, hey, if you have an iPhone 14, any of those phones in that lineup, any phones in the iPhone 15 lineup, make sure you update to iOS 17. That's how you get access to roadside assistance via satellite. Apple also just announced that they will be extending their emergency SOS via satellite feature for an additional free year for all existing iPhone 14 users. That also means the SOS feature will be free for 2 more years at the time of activation of any iPhone 14 right now, and also when someone purchases an iPhone 15 phone. So if you have any iPhone 14 model or any iPhone 15 model running iOS 17, you'll be able to take advantage of roadside assistance via satellite in the US for 2 years, starting at the time of activation of a new phone. And with the holidays coming up, you don't want to be kind of caught off guard. So in your settings, you can see SOS emergency. That gives you the opportunity to use this feature as a trial run just to get comfortable with how it looks, how it feels in case you run into emergency. So my car's good to go. I think I'm gonna head home, but there you go. Roadside assistance via satellite for the first time. We're gonna get out of here. Stupid ass. That's gonna go in the bloopers. I'm gonna put that at the very end. I'm gonna put that at the very end.